Hey BMW world, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the trunk and look at the location of your battery as well. So open the luggage compartment lid, and as soon as you're done, on your right hand side you will see this storage compartment cover. Turn the knob to unlock it, and once you remove it, you see your car battery. There it is. So if you look at it closely, you'll notice that it has positive and negative terminals, as it should, and your task will be to confirm that they are firm and secure, which they usually are, unless someone has tampered with them. So if they are, then let's put the cover back, lock it, and head over to the front to open our hood. So you use this lever to open the hood and head over to the front. Just under the lid, feel for another lever, a smaller lever that will help you lift the lid all the way up. So let's just take a few seconds to look at how cool it is before we get back on track. Okay, so basically that's what's under the hood of your BMW. And now we're going to look at a case where your battery is flat or dead. So if your battery is dead, what you're going to be looking out for is that red top right there. Just pull that red cover off to expose the positive terminal. That will be your positive terminal. Let's just look at it closely in case the red top is not there. This is what it will look like. Let me just get it clearly here. Yes, so that's what it will look like, and that will be your positive terminal. Now the negative is usually somewhere on the body of the car. It's a special nut which will look like this. Let me zoom out of this and look for that special nut, just somewhere in the body of the car. There it is. So you'll be looking for that, and once you see that, that will be your negative or earth terminal. Make sure that the battery is the same voltage as the one that's in your car, the charging battery, that is. So you're going to get a charging battery, connect it positive to positive, negative to negative, and start your car. If it has started, just make sure to place the cover back onto the positive terminal, and you're good to go. Oh, by the way, before I forget, just also make sure that the jump cables are well insulated, and make sure there are no sparks that might cause a fire in the car. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Share this video as much as you can, and well, I'll see you again soon as we look at another BMW function. It's Andrew again saying cheers and bye.